Want to fortify your app security and verify users like a pro, all without spending a dime? Let's dive into setting up OTP verification with Twilio's free trial. First, head over to the Twilio website, look for the Start Free Trial button, click it to begin the Signup process. You'll need to provide your name, email address, and create a password. Next, Twilio will ask for your phone number to verify your account. Enter your phone number carefully, as this is crucial for sending you a verification code. Once you submit your phone number, Twilio will send you a verification code via SMS. Enter the code you receive into the verification field on the Twilio website. After successful verification, you'll land on the Twilio dashboard. Take a moment to explore on the dashboard. Find the Get a Twilio phone number option. Click on that to proceed and obtain a free Twilio phone number, which will be used to send the OTPs. Now, navigate to the Programmable SMS section. This is where the magic happens. Twilio provides API keys and documentation. To get started, you'll need these keys to integrate OTP verification into your application. You can find sample code in various programming languages such as PHP, Python, or Java. Use the code to trigger the sending of the OTP. Remember to swap out the placeholder API keys, phone numbers, and message content with your actual information, and that's all there is to it. Enjoy.